auditing as it relates to typically police. There are First Amendment auditors, second, third, fourth, and even fifth. Um, One of the amendments that I'm concerned about with right now is the freedom to gather. You know what I'm saying? The freedom to gather. Also, obviously, the first, you know, is critical, especially in these times. Um, then that's the freedom to say whatever it is that you want, express your ideas. The thing is, though, as we're looking at this thing unfold, particularly here in the Twin Cities with the whole encampments and cars being stolen en masse, and police pretty much taking on the policy of just kind of let it all fall apart, you know. And in some ways, obviously that's better than criminality and tyranny, uh, but it opens people up to another way of living, and that is governing yourself with the understanding that the police, the state, are not going to be there to protect you, are not going to be there to serve you and service you the way that they should, as it relates to enforcing your property rights, your right to self-defense, um, your right to life, liberty, property, and the pursuit of happiness, right? They're just simply not going to do that. For some of us, like myself, that comes as no surprise. That's always been the case from the beginning. And for others, that's a fairly new phenomena or event, and you just simply don't know how to conduct yourself. Or there are some younger than myself who no one has ever really told you. And I'm here to tell you that that is the reality. You're responsible for your own life. You're responsible for doing whatever it takes to advance yourself and your agenda. And as it relates to governing yourself and dealing with law enforcement, things are going to be situational and highly situational and highly individualized, right? Ethnicity is a part of it. Social status, social class is a part of it. The type of vehicle you're in, the particular zip code, location, the time of day, and you as the one who's in that situation and who's the more vulnerable of the two parties, you have to be aware of that, and you have to govern yourself and act accordingly. Accordingly meaning you come out on top. You come out with your interests having been met. Rather that's you are able to escape that evening with your life, or you're able to not only escape with your life, but no kind of negative encounter of any type. No ticket, no need to show anything, no warning, right? It's not in your best interest to immediately take on an antagonistic position. When those people come up to your car, they're already nervous. They're already afraid. Let's stop pretending. You know, I know some people try to play tough and this and that, but they're in a very nerve-wracking position.